I'm a new rat owner. I got my rats from a pet store. This is Coffee, and up here is Ash. And I have a few questions for anyone out there who knows a little bit more about rats. As you can see, she's sneezing very loudly and very frequently. And I'm really worried about that. I had to get them from a pet store because there are no breeders in my state. And I figured they'd probably be better off getting out of the pet store because they were kept in a small little fish tank like thing with about 10 of them in there. So I have two of them. She sneezes quietly occasionally. She's sneezing a lot, very loud. Um, it is Saturday right now, and I'm calling a vet on Monday. But I'd just like to know if I should be worried. She has had a little drip of red come out of her nose, but she wiped it away completely, and immediately there's no red building up. Um, and then, so I have a question about her health. Is she okay? I am gonna call a vet, but I'm assuming they probably have Myco because they're from a pet store. But I'm a first time owner, so I don't know really what to look for flare ups. Second question is about their water. Um, they put fluoride in our city water, so I use a filter. Um, so I do filter their water so it's completely, clean, free of fluoride and stuff like that. But I added these vitamin drops to it. Hold on, let me focus the camera here. Alright. I add these vitamin drops to it. High potency multivitamins for hamsters, rats, mice, and gerbils. And it says to add 2 drops to each 1 ounce of drinking water and then mix it up. And it says change water at least every 1 to 2 days, so I change it every other day. And then here are the vitamins and how much is in each fluid ounce of undiluted drops. So this isn't what they'd be getting every day. This is undiluted. So this would be a really high amount, I'm assuming, for them. So are these vitamins that rats need that they might not be getting from their food? Should I keep giving this to them? Or would this not be so helpful? Third question is about their food. As you can see, it's sort of these little blocks. And so for food, I give them the Oxbow, Essentials, mouse, and young rat food because they are babies right now. At one point, will I have to switch them over to an adult rat food? And what are some good brands of the block food that I can give them? Because I don't want to give them a food that has nuts and seeds and all this in it or whatever, because they'll pick out their favorite parts and then they won't get the nutrition that they need. So what can I switch them to when they need to be switched, and when do they need to be switched? And if you want to look, here are the benefits, what vitamins are in it, and stuff like that if you want to check it out. And then ingredients, if you want to pause the video and look at it. I don't know why you would, but you can if you want to. And then the guaranteed analysis. This is the important part. Is this good for a growing rat right now? Is this what they need for protein, vitamins, everything like that? Is this what they need right now? Or is it not enough? Should I start giving them a different food? thank you for listening. If you have any answers to my questions, please, comment down below. And just more information on her, since she's the one who's sneezing a lot. She does tend to lay back here and sleep a little bit more than she does. But she does get active. She does play. She does come to the door to greet me. She cleans herself a lot, more than she does. She does clean herself, but she cleans herself a lot. I've been watching. If she eats, she will eat, she will drink, she does take treats from me and eat them. She's been chewing, I have a chew stick for them that they put somewhere. She has been chewing on the chew stick. So, any advice on the sneezing, any advice on socializing them, any advice on the water, the food, anything would be great. So, yeah, thank you. Comment down below, and that'll be great to hear your responses. And I will take them to the vet on Monday, so don't worry about that. Alright, thank you. Bye.